Make your mobile life easier with the lightweight and compact Targus Dock 412. Expand your laptop into a workstation and keep all your peripherals charged and ready to go at all times. Forget about drivers. Targus Dock 412 uses USB-C alt mode technology, rendering it compatible with just about any USB-C device: Windows 10, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. Lightweight and small, Targus Dock 412 packs plenty of video options. Thanks to the mini DisplayPort, HDMI, and VGA, you will be able to turn your device into a workstation, anytime, anywhere, on the go or in the office. With 60-watt power pass-through capabilities, you can charge your laptop and your connected accessories all at the same time. It doesn't matter where your journey takes you, presenting, working on the go, or simply relaxing at home. Targus Dock 412 has got you covered. Targus Dock 412 comes packed with additional features and functionality. Gigabit Ethernet for robust connections, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and 1 USB Type-C port. Expand your device into a workstation on the go with Targus Dock 412.
Meet Pluggable's smallest docking station, the Cube. The tiny but mighty docking station. The Cube provides HDMI, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and Ethernet ports, all connected to your laptop through a single USB-C cable. HDMI. Connect a 4K monitor and extend your desktop without having to extend your desk. USB. Plug in your peripherals like a thumb drive, keyboard, or mouse. Gigabit Ethernet. Faster, secure, and more reliable than a wireless alternative. Connect your laptop with ease on the go. Pluggable's tiny but mighty docking station. The Cube.
Targus presents the world's first enterprise-class universal docking station to deliver 4K on 4 extended displays. Meet the new Targus Dock 570. Thanks to Targus Dock 570, you'll get superb picture quality at your workstation, and with 4 extended displays, a massive workspace at your fingertips. Your workstation has never been more powerful than with a high-performance quad-monitor dock that supports 4K on all 4 displays. The 8 available video output ports allow you to decide between DisplayPort or HDMI display options to ensure compatibility for your configuration. 4 USB 3.0 ports makes it easy to customize workspaces with the latest keyboards, external drives, and other essential peripherals. Efficient charging is close at hand with the powered USB 3.0 port for keeping your smartphone, tablet, or other devices powered up and ready to go. Targus Dock 570 offers 100-watt USB power delivery on PD 2.0, so you can power laptops and larger devices through your dock. Targus Dock 570 comes equipped with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, as well as Targus's exclusive charging solution that uses legacy charging tips to power a variety of major laptops. Your most advanced workspace configurations become easy with compatibility across virtually any laptop, including Thunderbolt 3, DisplayPort Alt Mode, USB 3, 3.1, and Type-C devices. Maximize your performance with Targus Dock 570.